Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the YouTube widget lives and why you need to remove it. This matters for the method you choose. If it's on your website, open the CMS or code editor and locate the widget's embed snippet or iframe ID. Once found, copy the code to a safe document so you can restore it if needed. Make sure you have credentials to save changes and that you're editing the correct production file or page. Now remove the widget itself. If it's an iframe or embed, delete or comment out that block in the HTML and save. If it's powered by a plugin or widget module, deactivate or remove it from the layout editor and uninstall the plugin if unwanted. Once removed, purge any caches, browser, CDN, and server caches, so changes propagate. Make sure to test in an incognito window, and on mobile to confirm the widget no longer appears, and layout. Finish by checking the page across devices and networks. You want to be certain the widget is gone everywhere. If the layout breaks, revert to your backup and redo editing in smaller steps, testing after each change. If the widget still appears, inspect network requests and third-party scripts. Sometimes a script injects the player dynamically. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other plugins or scripts temporarily to isolate the source, then re-enable them one by one to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.